What goes into the COSORI Original electric glass kettle? It might seem like an obvious question, but the answer isn't so simple. Our kettle is made with high-quality materials and supported by a powerful base to quickly deliver the final ingredient for your favorite treats. With its special LED indicator, the kettle even lets you know the moment your water is ready. Plus, the wide opening supports easy cleanup and descaling, so you'll never grow tired of finding new things to brew.
Let's be honest, getting out of bed is not the easiest job. You need something quick and convenient to get you going in the morning. Well, you're in luck because COSORI's Gooseneck Electric Kettle is designed to do just that and more. Choose from 5 different presets to get the right temperature for your drink of choice. Even if you're more of a tea drinker, the Gooseneck Kettle has got you covered with its different tea options. Once you choose your temperature, you'll only have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes while the kettle boils your water. The kettle was made with quality materials. The interior is food-grade stainless steel with no plastic present whatsoever. This way, your drink will have that pure, clean taste you love. Once the water has finished boiling, you'll hear a beep to let you know it's ready. The gooseneck design gives you effortless control over water flow, so pouring is precise and easier than ever. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to come back for more, just press the Hold Temp button and the kettle will remain its temperature for 60 minutes until you're ready for your next cup. Whether it's coffee or tea, COSORI's Gooseneck Kettle has everything you need to start your morning off on the right foot.